Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel where we talk about quick and easy, delicious, nutritious, and low-carb food. In today's video, we're going to render some beef tallow. Now, beef tallow is essentially rendered fat from a cow. It's a very clean fat that is used in all sorts of recipes, especially for deep frying. Fun fact, if you've ever had McDonald's French fries, that signature flavor actually comes from beef tallow since the 1990s and has since been replaced by artificial flavoring to reproduce that beef tallow flavor. So here, I'm just chopping up fat that I trimmed off from my brisket in my Instant Pot brisket recipe, and I'll put links to that in the description below. Now, purists will usually say that tallow comes from suet, which is the hard fat around the loins and kidneys. And there is some of that hard fat within the brisket, especially between the point and the flat. So if you can get your hands on that fat meat, that's perfect for beef tallow. But if I'm just using this for frying, I like to collect all the fat I trim off, including some of that muscle fat. Some of it will render and still add to the flavor and the fat used for beef tallow. So I'm just ensuring that the pieces here are about 1/2 inch cubes or so, just so that they can render quickly in the Instant Pot. All right, ready to render. Here I have a 6-quart Instant Pot, and I'm adding about 1/4 to 1/2 cup of water on the bottom. And this basically prevents the fat from burning. We'll next add all the fat that we chopped up into the pot. Twist on the lid and ensure the setting is on seal. And we'll pressure cook this for 1 hour or 60 minutes.
1 hour later.
Once the hour is over, we'll hit cancel and let it naturally release the pressure over the next 15 minutes or so. And that's all there is to it. You can unscrew the lid and check out that liquid gold. So in a pourable container, we'll use a strainer to strain out all the solid pieces. And we don't waste those solid pieces either. You can take them, further fry it down to make cracklings, or they make really great treats for your dog. Now this is ready to use for your cooking or frying needs, but if you're going to store it, what I'll do is first decant it into a smaller pourable container just to rid any of that water that's on the bottom. The fat floats to the top and the water stays on the bottom, so you can separate that out by decanting. Now I'll do a second decanting process into my storage container. Here I'm using a mason jar with some rendered beef tallow from the past, and I'm just adding this liquid on top. This second decanting step just ensures there's absolutely no water that goes into the jar. As it cools, it'll turn from the liquid yellow to a solid white. And that's it. Seal it up and store it for later use. And there you have it. Wonderfully, cleanly rendered beef tallow. This is great for frying or stir frying or any other cooking use where you're using a good source of fat. That's it for another video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and have a great day.